Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel or deactivate a Wells Fargo account. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, make sure you remove or transfer all the money from your Wells Fargo account before trying to close it. It is important to leave the account balance at zero before requesting account closure. Next, open your browser and go to the Wells Fargo website. Once you are on the home page, look for the Help section near the top of the page and open it. After that, go to Customer Service and FAQs. Inside the Customer Service section, select Checking and Savings if you are trying to close a checking or savings account. On the page, you will see customer support contact options and phone numbers for general banking assistance. Call the customer service number shown on the website to speak with a Wells Fargo representative. Once you are connected with support, let them know that you want to close or deactivate your Wells Fargo account. The representative may ask you to verify your identity and confirm account details before processing the request. In some cases, Wells Fargo may also allow account closure by visiting a local branch, especially if additional verification is needed. After the request is completed, ask the representative to confirm that the account has been fully closed and request confirmation for your records if available. That's it. That is how you can cancel or deactivate a Wells Fargo account. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.